Good evening, friend. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing the one more important topic, and the name of the topic is football. Now we should discuss the importance of football. Football is the game. It is very popular all over the world, and billions of the viewers are watching this game and enjoy this game. Now we should talk about something interesting about the football. Football is the game. This game is play in the form of team. Means this game is not play by the single person. Its game totally depend upon the team's performance. For example, if a person play a very well in a team, but other 9% or 10% is not playing very well, then this game is not for you and not for the team. This team is not win. And second thing is that in the game of football, the main thing is that you have to work upon coordination, team, flexibility and communication. Means the football is the game is totally based on your stamina, physical and mental health, and you have to be very quick to take the decision. For example, if you play the football and you are thinking too much slow, so these things is not work in this game, because there is only a millisecond is there, so you have to take the decision and you have to do the goal or you have to save the goal. And apart from that, if you are playing the football, you should observe that one ball is there and 22 players are there. 11 is belong to the one team and 11 is belong to the another team. The main challenge for this game is that you have to means means ball is on your legs, means your leg means that the ball is on your team, so you should have the very well coordination, discipline, organization, teamwork and planning. So one person is passing this ball to the another person, and if the another person is passing the ball to the different team member, so this team member is already means available at that place, so the other person kick this ball. And the third thing is that this game require a lots of high level of stamina. Yes, you are right, friend. We talk about that in the cricket is require lots of stamina, but not the highest stamina is required in the football, because in the football you have to continuously running for 1 hour and 2 hour. Actually, I don't know what is the duration of the match, but whatever the match is running, so you have to run continuously uh, for the ball. So it requires high level of stamina, high level of fitness and high level of running. And you also need very quick and mental ability decision, so you should take the proper decision and you should set the proper goal, so your ball goes into the goal post. And as far as there is also the means goalkeeper is also there. This is the also the very important for both team. For example, if the person is doing the goal, so the goal person means also have ability to take the quick decision, and he should also memorize the opposite team members means attitude, habit, what type of goal means he has done previously, so he can means make his position accordingly. And after that he can predict that okay, now this time he can means throw this ball on that way, so he can completely adjust himself to this position and save the goal for their team. And second thing is that I already discussed that football is very famous game, so it can teach lots of things to us. first of all, whenever we should work in any organization or company, so football teaches unity, teamwork, coordination, cooperation, discipline, critical thinking, mental ability, fast decision pace. So if these things is available on the person when the person is doing the job and he is doing any type of business, so these things is really helpful for the job. And now we should understand that what type of importance of football we have seen on the world. Yes, as I already told, football is very famous, so the we should get that the football has created lots of millions of job to the market. Let's take an example. The referee is there in the football, viewers is there, lots of marketing campaigning, lots of means brand endorsement is also there who can promote their advertising. And apart from that, there is a lots of betting is also placed on football, who is win, who is lose. And apart from that, we can also told that there is a particular sponsorship of the player t-shirt where lots of amount is invested, and we have seen that multiple type of ads on the walls of a stadium, on the TV. So that type of revenue is also generated from the video. And apart from that, by selling the television and media right for particular channel who is responsible to broadcast the live football game on India, on the world, and where they can run the advertising campaign. So that type of revenue is also generated. And second thing is that I want to tell you that the most important thing is that in the football is the discipline. If you are the discipline, well disciplined, then you can be part of this game. Before we have seen that there is a lots of malpractices is there by the player, and the one and two player is try to push the uh, another team members of their team. So nowadays we live in 2026, technology is more advanced of camera, drones are there. So if the person is doing the first time, so he get the yellow cards. And if the person is repeated these things again, so he get the red card. And if the person is get the red card, so the person is out of the team. So that person is not playing the miss game on that match, or he is out of the team. So football is also inspire as that we should play very well, and we should follow the sportsmanship for every game. So thank you very much, friend. I have discussed this topic in very short and easy words, so it is better for you. Thank you.